Giraffe flags duplicate accounts when it detects the same device, Google ID, or payment profile being used across more than one account. Once that happens, the app can freeze rewards, block tracking, or fully restrict access to cash-out features. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fix a duplicate account issue in Giraffe and restore normal earning and redemption access without getting flagged again. First step is identifying what triggered the duplicate flag. Most cases come from switching Google accounts on the same phone or reinstalling the app and logging in with a different method than before. Giraffe links identity through device ID and login method, so even small changes can trigger a match conflict. The safest fix is to choose one account and fully commit to it. Log out all Giraffe sessions, then reinstall the app once. After reinstalling, log in using only the original method you used when you first started earning, either Google or email. Mixing login methods is one of the fastest ways to keep the duplicate flag active. Next is clearing device-level conflicts. Go into your phone settings, open apps, find Giraffe, and clear cache and storage. This removes leftover account identifiers stored locally that can keep linking your device to multiple profiles. If you've used multiple Google accounts on the same device, open your phone's Google settings and remove any extra accounts temporarily. This helps reset the authentication path so Giraffe only sees one consistent identity during login. Network changes can also reinforce duplicate detection. If you were switching between VPNs or different Wi-Fi networks while using multiple accounts, stop using VPN entirely and stick to one stable connection while fixing the issue. VIP rotation often triggers repeated account mismatches. Another important step is checking connected payment methods. If you've ever linked the same PayPal or payout account to more than one Giraffe profile, that alone can lock both accounts from redeeming rewards. In that case, you'll need to separate or replace the payout method tied to the duplicate account. If the duplicate warning still shows after cleanup, the issue is server-side enforcement. Giraffe may keep a temporary lock on your device for security checks. Waiting a short period without logging into multiple accounts usually allows the system to reset trust status. To summarize, duplicate account problems usually come from mixed login methods, shared device identifiers, or repeated account switching. Fix those by choosing one account, clearing app data, and stabilizing your login environment. The next step is simple. Never switch Google accounts after you've started earning on one profile. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Giraffe fixes and reward app troubleshooting guides.